And for today's video, we will find a budget-friendly dining experience here in Consolacion, Cebu, with the magnificent panoramic view of Cebu.
I love Cebu.
Welcome to Purisima Mountain View, located in Consolacion, Cebu. So, yan ang kanilang restaurant at pupunta tayo dyan. Dito tayo mag-order dahil nandito ang kanilang cashier. Yan, may Purisima Mountain View na sign. At tignan natin kung gaano kaganda yung view from here. Kitang-kita dito yung mga matataas na building at ang napakagandang coastline ng Cebu. And bukod po dito sa taas, meron din pong tables and chairs sa baba, kung saan pwede din po tayong mag-dine-in doon. At kung may sasakyan naman po kayo, meron pong parking space dito sa gilid.